Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm gonna to show you how to check the version of DirectX in Windows 10 PC. So guys, if you want to check the version of DirectX in Windows 10 PC, click on firstly tap Star plus R key, and tap here DXDIAG, DXDIAG. After click on OK. That is. So guys, if you want to check the version of DirectX in Windows 10 PC, it's very easy. Firstly, click on Star plus R key. Type here DXDIAG. After click on OK. That is. So this is very simple and easy method. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for latest update.